stage 1. So first, do the first sequence when you set the blood. Then, hand sanitizing. And put the patient to lateral position. Raise the nearest arm. Put the other arm to abdomen. Then, move the patient. Then, using patient, you got to
Hi, sis.
I put on both.
You're home.
Then put some water. And moisten the plaster to get the plaster easy to remove. Then remove slowly. Then discard. Then get the incontinent pad, put on the to avoid sweating or wetting of garments. Then get sterile gauze and NSS spray all over the wound. Then dry. Then clean inner to outer. Then discard. Get again another gauze to dry. So get another gauze to dry using to dry inner to outer. Then discard again. Sanitizer solution. Get the sanitizer solution. Spray all over the wound. Then get the cotton buds. Put the ointment. Put some ointment and then inner to outer. Then discard. Put the blue gauze. Cover the wound. Put some plaster. Then done aftercare. Remove the incontinent pad. Then put the patient to supine position.